I'm very happy to be sending my greetings to all our fellows across Australia on this, the occasion of the Academy's 50th birthday. Social sciences has come such a long way in the last 50 years, and it's done so much to shape the society that we're living in today. Our healthcare system, our education system, our immigration system, many aspects of modern life that we know and enjoy in Australia have been shaped by the input and the impact of the social sciences. And at 50 years old, that's something really worth celebrating. Of course, like everything, the Academy didn't spring out of nowhere, and there were almost 20 years' work done before that to lay the basis and set a strong foundation for the Academy. But we have a lot to celebrate on this occasion of 50 years of contribution to Australian society and Australian life. Of course, at this point in time, there are many challenges facing us ahead. There's climate change, there's building resilience in societies and individuals to cope with the sorts of shocks that flood, fire, and now pestilence visit upon us. There are still enormous challenges in our education system, enormous challenges in the recognition of the Indigenous ownership of this land and the continuous culture and the custodianship of knowledge that they have maintained over that time. So there are many challenges ahead, but I'm sure that this occasion is one for celebrating and for recognising that just as we have contributed to Australian society in the last 50 years, we will go on doing so with excellence in scholarship, with relevance and with high engagement. Enjoy this occasion.